What's up, guys? This is Jacob Wieringa, and today I'm going to show you how to make Superior Spider-Man. If you don't know who Superior Spider-Man is, he is when Doc Ock realized he was going to die, so he swapped minds with Peter Parker, and Peter Parker's mind died in Doc Ock's body, and Doc Ock decided, you know what, evil is getting kind of boring. I'm going to become a good guy. So he made a new costume and became Superior Spider-Man. But then he brought Peter Parker's mind back into Peter Parker's body, and then he put Doc Ock's brain into Doc Ock's body, and everything was back to normal. And anyways, let's get started. First, you're going to need some black legs, my favorite part of making a custom minifigure. And then, you're going to get Miles Morales' torso. And then, you are going to use the classic Spider-Man head. And thank you for watching. If you want more tutorials, let me know in the comments, and leave a like in this video and share it. And this is Jacob signing out.